Gauss's theorem related to electric field. First of all, the fundamental knowledge of electric flux. Electric flux phi equal to E dot ds. The scalar product of electric field and small surface area is called electric flux. The statement of Gauss theorem is the surface integral of electric flux over any closed surface is equal to 1 by epsilon naught times the total charge inside the surface. Mathematically, we can write E dot ds. E dot ds equal to Q by epsilon naught, or the total electric flux passing over any closed surface is equal to 1 by epsilon naught times the total charge inside the surface. That is phi equal to Q by epsilon naught. This is the another form of Gauss's theorem. अब इसका प्रूव करने के लिए एक क्लोज सरफेस लेते हैं. प्रूफ Consider a closed surface S inside which charge Q is placed. A small surface area, consider whose area is ds. A point P lies on a small surface area whose distance from the point O is r. Then electric field is outside the sphere. The magnitude of electric flux E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by r square, and directed outward. Draw normal Pn at P, then the direction of electric intensity along the normal E cos theta. D omega. D omega is the solid angle. The component of electric field along the normal is E cos theta. Now the small amount of flux passing over the small surface area ds, d phi equal to E cos theta into ds. Putting the value of E, we get 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by r square cos theta ds. Rearranging the terms, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught dr q ds cos theta by r square. This is the value of solid angle made by small surface ds at center O. It is denoted by d omega, equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q d omega. That is d phi equal to the value of small magnetic flux passing over the small surface area, d phi equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q d omega. Now the total electric flux passing over the closed surface S by integrating equation 2, d phi equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q d omega. Therefore phi equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q integration d omega. Integration d omega is the value of the whole solid angle made by the center. There are various small surface area ds and the entire surface made at the center. The total value of solid angle is integration d omega. It is equal to 4 pi. Therefore phi equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q 4 pi. 4 pi 4 pi cancel. Phi equal to epsilon naught. That is total electric flux passing over any closed surface is equal to 1 by epsilon naught times the total charge inside the surface.